Hello, my name is Dr. Gopal Kutwaru. I'm the course director and the course author for the SABIC Marketing Fundamentals program. This program is an exciting opportunity to learn about modern contemporary marketing strategies, techniques, tactics, frameworks, tools, a number of very interesting areas. In fact, a couple of major purposes is to ensure that our SABIC delegates actually have a very common language around what it means to be successful in marketing, especially with digital and the impact of that. But also we take a real great approach to the overall subject of business marketing as it applies to the petrochemical industry. And of course, we have many examples of this from other petrochemical vendors as well, and talking specifically about some of the techniques that they have followed there, including the ones which are going to be quite prevalent in the future as well. So we're going to be talking about that. And secondly, the important piece is to understand why and how does marketing contribute today to business success. So what's changed, but also why is it fundamental? Why is it important? But more importantly, how do we create that extra customer value that drives the consideration for our customers moving forward, and also position SABIC in a really powerful place there as well. So the program actually is a 4-day program. It focuses on the key elements of marketing and the wider functions there and how it applies into a SABIC business. We look at key concepts and terminologies used in marketing management. We increase the knowledge and understanding of marketing with market planning, marketing frameworks, marketing strategies specifically, and look at how does all of that actually influence customer behavior. So part of the program, of course, focuses on that as well. Participants are then able to look at that environment, collect the relevant information, and also make sure that they create very powerful marketing campaigns and tactics, including what we call evergreen marketing, which is really about how do we continue the rhythm of messaging that the customers hear about what we have to produce, or what we have created at SABIC, and get them interested in that as well, which is very, very powerful for us. So really, in essence, our learning outcomes for the 4 days are really working through the contemporary nature of marketing, how we create and capture customer value, what and how do we build company and marketing strategy, and how do we analyze the marketing environment, typically both from a micro and a macro perspective. What's the role of marketing research and data insights and consumer insights as well? Where is that information already in maybe our CRM systems, right the way through to additional information that we can collect from maybe our channel partners and additional distribution partners there as well. Market segmentation, targeting and positioning, understanding this more so we move away from static segmentation, which has really characterized previous segmentation techniques, and moving forward into what we call more behavioral segmentation there. And then literally, how do we create value through our products and brands? What is our messaging and our messaging hierarchy and our messaging strategy? Are we reaching the right audiences? And if we are reaching the right audiences, how can we actually make the most of our new products and services and articulate that with powerful communication techniques? And communications will be quite a part of the program too. Also, how do we create value through pricing? How do we create value through distribution strategies? Growing also our global marketing dominance as well, and also looking at sustainable marketing and marketing ethics as well. So this is really focusing on our corporate social responsibility there as well. So there is a great opportunity now to learn about so many areas within marketing that this beautifully packaged 4-day program will take you through it with the relevant case studies and references and testimonials from the petrochemical industry as well. We'll look at SABIC's application of that and also great opportunities to get into also breakout sessions where we're going to have them to focus on applying the learning, and therefore during the day there'll be a number of different exercises that we would do and complete as soon as we have learned a particular technique or framework, and that really starts embedding the learning there as well. So in essence, this 4-day program will take you through everything that you need to understand from a marketing perspective and a contemporary marketing perspective, and very, very powerful to help you grow the business and grow that level of customer value and articulate that as well in the right way. My name is Gopal Kutwaru. I look forward to talking to you all and seeing you all on this program as well. Thank you.